Everyone's been focused on AI recently in the tech world, but robotics are making huge strides forward. Tesla recently announced their Optimus robot, which is a humanoid robot which has many complex features and can perform many complex tasks to potentially replace humans in the workforce. Elon is predicting up to 20 billion of these robots to be released in the very near future. Another big company here in the USA is Boston Dynamics, which has a series of different robots, including dog robots, which can perform very complex tasks in many different fields. But China has been secretly working on their own robotics in the background to compete directly with Tesla and Boston Dynamics, and they're doing it at massive discounts. Some of these robots are just as complex and can be got at a 40 times price difference. Let's jump right in and see what this is all about. So just an example of what Boston Dynamics has done recently, this is one of their dog robots. This is called Spot, and you might have seen some of these videos online. These are, again, very complex dog-like robots that can perform dangerous and routine tasks in many different fields. They have a ton of complex features and hardware which can do these tasks. They have cameras, they have gauges, they can do monitoring, leak detections, gauge reading, all kinds of super complex tasks in many different workforces. I've seen these be deployed in mines and other very, very dangerous areas where humans probably shouldn't be working at this point, and these robots are going to be taking over. If we look at the Tesla robot here, the Optimus robot, you can see that it has the capability of self-calibrating its arms and legs, and it has very, very complex hands. Elon recently talked about just how complex these hand motions can become and the joints and different positions it can do. So accurately calibrated, the Optimus robot can actually do very, very minute tasks with its hands. So the human hand is a very complex thing, and the ability to move it in very subtle ways, like you can see this robot is doing here as it picks things up and moves them around. This is actually a huge leap forward in robotics that was not able to happen in past different versions of these kind of robots. This is a huge, huge leap forward. Again, this is going to be replacing humans in a lot of different ways, including cooking, different types of, workforce tasks, including warehouse stuff, just a bunch of different things, including caregiving as well. So this is going to be a big leap forward. But China has their own versions of these robots. So this is from a company called Unitree. Now, Unitree has released this G1 robot, and you can see here, it's very, very complex as well. It's very agile. It has the ability to move in very complex ways. You can see this is actually a demo. This is not a CGI demo. This is actually a live demo of the robot, the way it's jumping around and moving around. I mean, you can see it moves in a very complex way. It has these very, very awesome, movements. It almost resembles a human in the way that it walks and it moves. The hands are a little bit bigger than normal, than a normal human hand. Again, going back to the complexities of hand movements, but you can see it walking up and down the stairs here. And it has this deep reinforcement learning where it can actually learn these tasks and do better with these tasks. It actually is using AI to do this as well. So it has this AI programming to get it to actually learn these tasks and get better at these tasks as it progresses. So you can see it running here, and you can also see here their dog robot, which I'm going to show you as well. So if we go into some of that, so this is actually kind of scary, but you can actually see one of these dog robots. This is actually with the Chinese army here, and it's equipped with a weapon, and it's walking here with a soldier. And I mean, just the thought of these type of robots in war is actually really, really scary to me. And I'm sure to a lot of people that see this kind of thing, it's actually freaked me out when I saw it. And if we look at a few more videos here, you can see just how complex these robot dogs are. So this is from Unitree, that company I was mentioning earlier, the Chinese company, and you can see what kind of movements this dog can do. So very comparable to what Boston Dynamics has right now, except it's so much cheaper. So this robot dog is only $1,600 right now. You can go buy this online right now for $1,600, and it's very, very durable. You can see he's trying to beat this thing up, and it still maintains its composure. He's throwing it around, and it's still able to get right back on its feet and move around. So these are durable. They work really, really well. They're very, very stable, and they can do a bunch of complex things. And again, $1,600. The competitor for this, for Boston Dynamics, is $74,500. So this is a 40 times price difference. It's 40 times cheaper to get this robot from China, which you can buy right now from this company in China, Unitree, instead of having to pay $74,000 from Boston Dynamics, and it's very, very comparable. So another example of this robot dog, again, equipped with weapons. This is a Chinese military video. Again, this is that same Unitree robot. I believe this is a military version because I know it's a lot bigger. Again, equipped with a weapon, going into a battlefield. You can see it deploying the weapon here. I mean, again, pretty scary stuff if you think about where this can go. But again, these are available right now to the public. You can buy these right now. So I'm going to show you a few more videos here of this robot, this dog robot here. So this is at a trade fair. They're showing how it works. how it can jump around, how it can walk backwards, forwards, sideways. It can even beg for a treat here like a normal dog. So pretty crazy stuff. So I went ahead and did some research. I went to the Unitree website. So this is the website that produces these Chinese robots. You can see that they have a bunch of different versions of the robots here. They have the B2, the GO2. This is the humanoid robots, the G1, the one I was showing you earlier, and the H1. And you can see here, buy now on all these links. These are available for sale right now. So if you want to buy them from their website, you just come here to the order form and you can just enter your name and you can submit that and they're going to get back to you and you can work with them on actually ordering one of these robots. You're going to get directly involved with their sales team and you can actually order one. These are coming from mainland China, but again, it looks like you can even negotiate with them. So, they're open to negotiation and you can order some of these robots right now. So if I Google this, which I did, I Googled Unitree Robotics, you can see that these are actually for sale on Amazon. So that Go-To robot, the dog robot, is for sale right here on Amazon. It's $4,000. You can get the Go-To Air, which I guess is like a smaller, cheaper version of the robot, for $2,400. When I come here, I actually see it a little bit cheaper. So I'm seeing one here for $550. Again, that Twitter thread mentioned that it was only $1,600. So the prices are kind of everywhere, but the point is that they're out right now and you can buy them at relatively inexpensive prices for what they are. So you can see also this H1 robot, which is the predecessor of the G1, which I showed you here, and that's for sale right now. So if I come here, I can buy this on AliExpress right now for $10,327. It's going to take about 17 days to get to me, and it's going to be shipped directly to my door. So if you want a humanoid robot that is very advanced that you can order right now, that'll come to your house, that can do tasks for you and a bunch of different things, shipped directly from China, I can get one right now for 10 grand, which to me blows my mind. And to think how much faster this is going to go now that these are in production, that people are ordering these, is really, really crazy. And this is, again, going to move very, very fast, I think, over the next year or two. And we're going to see these robots in a lot of different applications. So that's it for this video. If you like the video, like it, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be doing a lot more videos like this, showing you the latest in AI, the latest in tech. I'm also going to show you how to make money online. And if you're interested in doing that, you should sign up to my newsletter. That's going to be in the description below as well. I go over very detailed guides on how I make money online, how other people make money online as well.